Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the February 2024 Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit. I've already showed you the unboxing and demonstrated how to put each project together. And this, again, is the projects that this kit makes. Today, we're going to be making my first alternate with this kit. I have 10 alternates. I'm going to make 10 separate videos, so make sure you come back and watch all the videos. I did a questionnaire, not a questionnaire, but kind of sort of like a little survey last time, and you guys said that you like the shorter videos instead of me doing all the alternates in one video. So I'm doing 10 short videos. I'm going to try to make them short anyway. But so yeah, alternate number 1, okay? So before we get started, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our our March Memorable Meadows Paper Pumpkin Kit. It includes a free stamp set in addition to the stamp set that already comes in here. It makes 9 cards, and the stamping spot is garden green. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can also purchase the Love of Spring dies add-on. It's $12 for 4 dies, and the ordering number is 164396. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. That does include the shipping in that price. I can only ship and sell in the US. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay. Lastly, we have our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of that. And don't forget about Celebration. We still have Celebration going on. For every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax, you are qualified to receive a free product from the Celebration brochure. And there is a flyer with new items that are from the mini catalog and the annual catalog. So they added some more free options for you, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on this first alternate project. So I have a card base here of thick basic white that is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. Just burnishing down our score mark with the bone folder. So I took a piece of garden green here that is 5 1/4 by 4. And I cut one of the card bases, I think to the, it was the mini slimline card base. And it's 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And we're going to just glue this down. Oh, you guys remember when I showed you my glue holder with the heart? And I was like, I don't know when I said it, but I said, oh man, it would be cute if she came out with a egg for Easter. And she did, the Country Hive. Look at this, isn't this cute? I love this thing. Okay. Let's get back to the project. We're going to glue this down to our garden green layer. And yes, I know there's a score line in there, but that's sometimes what you have to deal with when you're making alternates from card bases. So let's go ahead and layer this onto our garden green. Garden green is one of the coordinating colors in this kit. I tried to use just the colors that were in the kit for all of my projects, just to keep it simple. Then we have a piece of garden green here. It's about 1/4 inch by 3 7/8. And we're going to cover that score line with that piece. So we're just going to put that straight across on that score line, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this and we're going to glue this to our card base. All right, then I have a piece of Berry Burst here, and it's 2 7/8 by 4 3/8. Then I cut a piece of the, this piece came from the back of one of the cards, the full card. It was the back of it, and this is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And we're just gonna glue this down to the mat of Berry Burst. Just like this. Ooh, come on. Get that in there centered. We want it to look nice. Okay. So for right now, I think that's all for the glue. We are going to add some dimensionals on the back of this. So let me get the dimensionals out. I think I want to put 5 or maybe more. This is Shauna's card. You know it has to be more. Lord have mercy. That is way more than 5, isn't it? Okay. So we're going to set that to the side for now. We're going to do a little stamping. So I have the banner here from the kit and a piece of basic white for the inside that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. We're going to stamp on these, and I'm going to use the Early Espresso. So on the banner, I'm going to stamp Happy Easter. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Then on the inside of the card, we're going to stamp this flower image. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. Then I'm just going to do the tiniest bit of coloring. I'm going to get the Daffodil Delight light. And I'm just going to do a little bit of, not really coloring it all the way in. Just a little. Make that one a little darker there. Okay. And then I think they put like, maybe it was crumb cake, or I'm going to use light crumb cake. It might not have been crumb cake, but for the centers here, just going to get a little bit on there. Then we're going to do not garden green. I want Granny Apple Green light for, actually they used the dark, didn't they? I think they used garden green, but I'm going to do Granny Apple for my stems and my leaves. Okay, so that's all the stamping and coloring. So let's go ahead and put this together. So I have another piece of garden green here that is 5 by 3 3/4 to mount our inside on. We're just going to put this down on here like so. Then we're going to put this on the inside of our card. Like that. Okay. And then we're going to glue this to the bottom of our little piece here. If I can get this glue to start running. I'm going to put this right at the bottom like this. Okay. Then we're going to add this to our card base. Let me make sure those dimensionals. One more, come on. Okay, now we're going to make sure we get this like in the center here. Like that. Then I took what are they called? The Stylish Shape dies. I took the second largest, I believe it is. And I die cut this. This was one of the card fronts to the mini slimline. So I die cut it with the second smallest, largest stylish circle. And we're gonna glue that on up there. And I'm gonna take this wreath that comes in the kit and we're gonna put that right around it just like that. So let me glue this on. Glue this onto our card base here. Try to get it straight. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on our little wreath here. I know some of it probably didn't need glue because it's going to be hanging over. And I didn't need the stitching on this. I just used that because I like the size of it. Okay. And that's the card. Now we're just going to add some bling. And I have the, what is it called? Loose daisy embellishments. So I thought this would be cute with the little flowers in the background there. So I'm going to get a couple of those. I know I want to put one right here. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. I didn't mean for that much. put one here and one there. So much glue came out. So at the top, where's my take your pick tool? Okay, so I am going to put yellows up here. Yeah, this is one of the things you can put on your take your pick tool. I took mine off to add others. And then at the bottom, we're going to do a white one. I put a little too much glue. Ooh, good thing it dries clear. But that is our card done. What do you think? It's cute, right? I like it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Don't forget to come back for part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.